Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the third Sudoku, a Sudoku with 3 stars. So let's get started with this Sudoku. We have an 8 in this row column and 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8, so no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below, so in the last row, the only place for the 8 should be here. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there, but I see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. Then I cannot continue with 8, I need to wait for more information. Let's see, 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for the 4 should be there. Then a 9 in this column, a 9 in the third column, so in the column between, the only place for the 9 should be there. In this column, the second column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. I see here a 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here or could be there, but I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. It should be one of these. 4. 1. 7. 5. And 4. 7. We have a pair in this big square. 5 and 7 cannot be placed in these 3 boxes, so the 5 and the 7 could be there or here. We have a pair, 5 and a 7. I cannot fill this yet. I need more information. That means these 3 boxes are the numbers 1, 4, and the 8. 1, 4, and 8. I see here 1 and a 4. So in this box cannot be the 1 and the 4. This should be the 8. That means here the 1 and the 4, and here the 1 and the 4. We have an 8 in this column, and 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Yes, the 8. Then okay. The 9. Not easy. In this row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers. The missing numbers here are the 1, 6, 1, 6, the 2 and the 5, the 2 and the 5. I see here 1 and a 6, so the 1 and 6 cannot be here. The 1 and the 6 should be in those 2 boxes, 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6, and the 5 and the 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 5 goes here. Then in this row, 4 missing numbers. The missing numbers, one of the missing numbers is a 2. I see here a 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. I see there a 2, so no 2 in this box. The only place for the 2 should be here. The other numbers are the numbers 3, 6, and 3, 6, and 1. See here the 1, and see here the 3. So the other digit should be the 6. Here we have 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in this column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there, but I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing in the middle column, and the 7 is missing. I see here 5, so no 5 in this box. The 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so in the column next. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there, but I see here 5. No 5 there, 5 should be here. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. For the 3 missing numbers, I believe those 2 were the 5 and the 7. So we have a 7 here, so these cannot be the 7. The 7 should be here. The other 2 were the 1 and the 4. These 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 3 and the 4. I still cannot fill this yet. I need a 4, I need a 3. Yes, this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. I see here 5, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. There are 5, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 5 should be here. Then 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Then 3 missing numbers. In the first row, the numbers are 1, 6, and 7. I see here 7, so no 7. In those 2 boxes, 7 should be here. 2 boxes, 2 missing numbers left for the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in this column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, so no 1 there. Only place for the 1 should be here. 1 missing box. Number in the last row for the number 6 is missing, yes. Then 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in this column, the only place for the 6 should be there. And then 3 and yes, these 3 missing numbers are the numbers 2, 3 of this big square. 2, 3, and a 6. I see here 2 and a 6, so no 2 and a 6 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 3. Here we have the 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. Remember that. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. 7, 9, 4. Here we have 4. Yes, these 2 numbers are the 4 and the 1. Remember that? Because in this big square, we have 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 2, 4, and 9. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be this one. 9 and 2 are missing now. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 9 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the row above. So in this row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 4 should be there. 1 box is missing in this big square for the number 1. 1 box is missing in this big square for the number 3. 2 boxes missing in this big square for the number 7 and 9. We have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 9 and 9 and 2, 9 and 2. We have a 9 here, so no 9 here. 9 should be there. The 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 7 and 5. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 5 and 6. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be there, and the 6 goes here. 1 missing number in this column for the number 2. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 6. 2 missing numbers in the second row for the numbers 6 and 3. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be there, and the 3 goes here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 1 and 7. We have a 1 there, so no 1 here. 1 should be there, and the 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and the 9. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright, for a 3-star Sudoku. If you like this Sudoku, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe if you like or if you want. Rest me to say thank you for watching this Sudoku, and in a minute I will continue with the 4-star Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.